Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Nosko. Welcome to my channel Cat Technology. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert feet-inch drawing to millimeter as well as from millimeter drawing to feet-inch drawing. Now, I have two files. This is a feet-inch drawing and this is millimeter drawing. So you can see here. Now I am going to change this drawing uh, in different unit system. So here, first of all, millimeter drawing. So you can see this drawing is in millimeter unit system. So if I want to change it to feet-inch unit system, in that case, I need to use scale factor. Okay. So generally, 1 feet is equal to 304.8 millimeter. But for the ease of calculation, we are taking 300 millimeters. In that case, so 1 inch is equals to 25 millimeter. So I'm going to change it to feet inch. Okay. So 1 inch is equals to 25 millimeter. So 1 by 25, that is 0.04. Okay. So that's why the factor value will be SCL. Factor value will be 0.04, and the command is scale SCL. Select the drawing, enter, specify any base point 0.04. So you can see the drawings. So the drawing is scaled properly, but the thing is, drawing is not properly visible because of these dimensions. So for that, enter, modify, go to text. You can see 250. Make it 10. This is what select this one as engineering. Then okay, select current. Now you can see the dimension is changed, but the thing is, uh, these texts are not okay changed properly because these texts are belongs to different dimension styles. So let's change that. Okay, this is level, then modify. Okay, then change it to engineering and select text box 10 inch or even 8 inch. Symbol and arrows. So 8 inch. Architectural techniques. Select 10 inch. This combination 10 inch. Tape. Close. So you can see here all the drawing, all the dimensions change to its original dimension. So if you want to show double dimensions, it's alternative dimensions. In that case, again we have to go to dimension style manager, go to modify. Here you can see alternative units, just tick mark here and put as put the scale factor as 25, and unit format is decimal and precision 0, or you can use that a round figure. And here you can see the placement of text. So I am selecting here below the primary figure. Okay, then close. So here you can see 3 feet. So the unit is in fittings, and okay, and the dimension is in both unit system actually. Okay, so base dimension is fittings, but here if I want to draw anything, in that case it will okay, it will show in millimeter units. So in that case we have to change that. Okay, so remember one thing, in AutoCAD, okay, there are two unit systems. One is drawing unit and another is dimension units. So all these things we have done here till now, that is okay, belongs to dimension style managers. So that's why that is affected on the dimensions only. Okay. But if I draw anything, in that case that things will not okay affected on that on drawings. So for drawing anything in fitting unit system, we have to change the drawing unit systems. Okay, so for that UN and that, here you can see the link type is in decimal. That's why that things is okay showing there. So just select engineering, select precisions as value of requirement, then we make it feet or inch. Then angle type decimal degrees, precisions also okay, as per your choice. Then now you can draw anything in fittings. For example, 10 feet, okay, 5 inch. So now you can see this is 10 feet to 5 inch. Okay, so millimeter to fittings. This is the process of okay, converting any millimeters unit system drawing to fittings unit systems. Now go to this drawing, and this drawing is in fittings. Now I am going to convert this drawing in millimeter unit systems. The procedure is same, but scale factor is different because okay, I told you that 1 feet is equals to 304.8 millimeter. This is exact value actually. But for the ease of calculation, if we take it 300, in that case, okay, so 1 inch is equals to 25 millimeters. Okay, so why 25 millimeter? Because 1 inch is equal 1 feet equals to 12 inch. Okay, so if I divide 300 okay, divided by 12, then you can see 25 millimeter. So that's why the unit the scale factor will be 25. Yeah, then now similar command scale SC enter the object specify this point in 25. Now similar case is happened here. You can see this value is okay showing here 50 feet, but actually the value is not 50 feet. Okay, so that's why I have to change okay unit systems. So D and that and modify. Go to primary unit, select as decimal. Then put text height because the text is not visible properly. So make it to 50. Symbol and arrows. Just click like this. Then 50. Okay. So current. Now you can see here. This is 600 mm. Okay, from GL to PL. You can check it here also. Okay. And this is the dimension height of the window. Okay, that is 2100.